In this video, you will learn how to install a Go device in a Tesla Model 3 or Y. You will need one of the following harnesses depending on your Tesla model and year. You will also need these items to complete the installation. Make note of your Go device's serial number for future reference. The Tesla connector can be found behind the lower center console panel. For ease of installation, move both seats to the most forward position. The panel is held in place by clips. Slide the end of a panel removal tool under the right side of the panel and twist slightly to release the clips and pull off the panel. This will expose the Tesla connector. Use the T20 Torx screwdriver to remove the two screws as shown. Carefully pull the air vent panel to release the clips and remove the panel. Place the panel on top of the center console. Next, remove the panel under the air vent using the same method. Unplug the Tesla connector. Then, plug in the appropriate Geotab harness based on your vehicle model. Please note, it is very important to ensure the Geotab harness and Tesla connector are securely attached. Plug the Go device into the Geotab harness. You will hear 6 beeps and see a momentary flash from the red, blue, and green LEDs on the Go device. Secure the connection using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Using an alcohol-based wipe, clean the bottom of the air vent. Wait for the surface to dry, then apply double-sided tape as shown. Peel off the film. Then attach the antenna side of the device to the tape. Apply firm pressure for 30 seconds. In reverse order, reinstall the panels. Starting with the center panel, line up the clips and press firmly, locking the panel into place. Next, take the air vent panel and push down the wiring to keep it from being pinched by the panel. Line up the clips and firmly press the panel into place. Ensure the Go device cable is not pinched, then refasten the T20 Torx screw. Last, reinstall the lower panel. The installation is now complete.